How to change your space color on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your space color on Quora app easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Quora app. Now this is the home page as you can see right here, and go to your profile and then go down and click on your space. For example, this is my space. As you can see, the color of my space is yellow and I want to change it to blue, for example. All what you have to do is go down and click on the settings tab, and it will take you to this page. Now go down and click on space color. Now click on the color that you want and it will be updated easy and fast. As you can see, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.